daily practice for English.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to see you again.
Today, we have a very special topic, school life.
Yes, almost everyone has been to school, so this is going to be very useful for you.
We will talk in simple English and teach you vocabulary, grammar, and real phrases.
Are you ready?
Let's start. Daniel, when you were a student, what kind of school did you go to?
I went to a public school near my home.
What's the difference between a public school and a private school?
A public school is free. The government pays for everything. But a private school costs money. Parents have to pay fees.
I see. I also went to a public school. It was a good school.
Yes, public schools can be really good if the teachers are great.
That's true. Education should be for everyone.
Daniel, what time did you wake up when you were a student?
I woke up at 6:30 every morning. School started at 8, so I needed time to get ready.
What did you do after waking up?
First, I washed my face and brushed my teeth. Then I put on my school uniform.
What was your uniform like?
White shirt and dark blue pants. I didn't love it, but it was easy.
Did you eat breakfast before school?
Yes, always. My mother made bread with butter and jam and a glass of milk.
That sounds nice and simple.
I went to school by school bus. It came at 7:15.
I walked to school. It only took 15 minutes.
Walking is healthy, right?
Yes, very healthy. Some students ride bicycles too. It's good for the environment.
Exactly. No pollution.
How do you go to school or work? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, Daniel, let's teach some important school words.
Good idea.
Repeat after us. Student, a person who goes to school. Teacher, a person who teaches students. Classroom, the room where you study. Subject, like math, English, science. Lesson, one class period. Homework, work you do at home after school. Student, teacher, classroom, subject, lesson, homework.
My favorite subject was science. I loved learning how things work.
Really? My favorite was English literature. I loved reading stories.
What about teachers? I had a wonderful math teacher. He explained everything so clearly.
I had a great English teacher too. She made the class so much fun.
A good teacher can really change your life.
What was your favorite subject? Write it in the comments.
Daniel, we are using a lot of past tense today.
Yes, because we are talking about our school days.
Let's explain past simple.
Present, I go to school. Past, I went to school.
Present, I study math. Past, I studied math.
Some verbs are irregular.
Go, went. Come, came. Sit, sat.
Practice with us.
I went to school.
I studied English. I sat in the classroom.
My favorite time was break time. We played football outside.
I sat under a big tree with my friends and talked.
At lunch, I usually brought packed lunch from home.
Sometimes I ate in the cafeteria. Here are some useful phrases. Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. What does this word mean? May I go to the bathroom, please? I have a question.
Exams were stressful, but I studied with flashcards.
Emma, I liked studying with my friends.
It helped me understand better. Friends are the best part of school. I still talk to some of my old school friends.
Yes, real friends stay with you for a long time.
Do you still talk to your school friends? Comment yes or no.
What did you do after school, Daniel?
I was in the drama club. I loved acting.
I played basketball on the school team. It was great exercise.
Activities after school teach you many things.
Pronunciation practice. School. School. Teacher. Homework. Uniform. Education.